My name is Kunal Sharma. I'm one of the founders and the CEO at Flipspaces.
Hi, I'm Ritesh. I lead the product vertical at Flipspaces.
Hi, I'm Praful. I lead the technology department.
My name is Mrinal Sharma. I head the Pan India operations.
So we started back in 2012, and when me and my partner Ankur, we started this company, the idea was to be a product manufacturing and distribution brand within the home decor and furnishing space. We pivoted the business model to become a design and build venture for commercial spaces. We saw that commercial makes more sense for us, possibly because of way higher ticket sizes, 1 to 1.5 crores in size as an average transaction value. Secondly, commercial space is a far more templatized market. One of the biggest problems that we found from the customer's side was the fact that there was no visualization which was overarching and which was exhaustive. We figured that since gaming technology is the answer, we actually hired the team of Banana Interactive, came together, combined our vision and started working on a visualization product which works more like a game.
We have a portal called Vistown, which is a listing platform.
In Vistown, we have forward agreements with property owners. We go and convert their bare shell floor plans into interactive walkthroughs, which becomes a more enhanced experience for any prospective tenant to actually come and see the property and take a qualified decision whether he wants to move in the space or not.
If you are an incoming customer, while we are pitching it, the first product that we use is called Vismap, where you would actually see grayscale 3D model of the whole space. Post that, we use Viswalk.
So Viswalks allows you to move around the space, see it in photorealistic quality, how it would actually look like, and at the same time it also helps you in customizing.
So this kind of a tech, which was unprecedented in this particular domain, created a very, very tangible differentiator which allowed corporates, MNCs, SMEs, startups to see how their space is going to look like. We are targeting about 100 crores of revenue. We have about 60% repeat clientele coming back to us. And if you actually go and profile most of the clients, they will tell you that even at the pre-sale stage, when the deal has not been converted, the visualization tech has been the biggest differentiator. The number of business units have increased from 2 to 4 to 5 units, 4 in India and 1 in the US.
Team-wise, we have grown from a strength of 80 to about 300, 350 people. Flipspaces, which ensures that the transaction from the discovery to the design build and the final finished product is completely in tandem with the expectations which is required by the client.